Good morning, my dear children. Welcome back to this video session where we are discussing the last chapter in geography named Human Resources. So, in our previous module, we have discussed about the definition of human resources as well as the distribution of the population all over the world. That is, how unevenly it has been distributed all over the world. Next, we'll discuss in this module the different factors which affects the distribution of the population. So the geographical factors. The first one is topography. So here people always prefer to live on plains rather than mountains and plateaus. Why? We know that yes, for our various economic activities, these places are very suitable. Because if we select some areas which are, yes, that is mountains or plateaus, we cannot do any other economic activities. So here, the farming, for manufacturing, and for the various service activities, we have to select the most suitable places. And the Ganga plains are the most densely populated areas of the world, while mountains like the Andes, Alps, and the Himalayas are sparsely populated. So that is the main differences why this population is unevenly distributed in both these places. So this is the first factor which determines the distribution of the population. And the next one is the climate and the soil. So here the people usually avoid the extreme climates that are very hot or very cold, like Sahara Desert, polar regions of Russia and Canada and Antarctica. Because we know the nature of all these places, isn't it? Yes, these are all very, yes, cold regions of our country or of our world. So always people usually prefer, yes, that is where this climate we can see as moderate one. And what is the next factor? That is soil. Fertile soil provides suitable land for agriculture. Fertile plains such as Ganga and Brahmaputra in India, Huanghe, Changjiang in China, and the Nile in Egypt are densely populated. So here we can see that the fertile soil provide suitable land for agriculture. And fertile plains, which are they? Yes, Ganga, Brahmaputra in India, and in China, the Huanghe and Chengjiang in China, and the, yes, Nile in the Egypt. They are all densely populated. So these are the other factors which determine the distribution of the population. And which are the socio, cultural, and economic factors? The social factors are the areas of better housing, education, and health facilities are more densely populated. So, the social factors means, yes, that is areas of better housing, education, and health facilities are also more, we can see in all these places, yes, that is densely populated. And what about the cultural factors? That is, places with religious or cultural significance attract the people. So, which are those places? That is, Varanasi, Jerusalem, and Vatican City are some examples of these places. That is, the people, yes, actually, they will select the religious places for the worship. And the next one is economic factors. Which are they? The industrial areas provide employment opportunities. The large number of people are attracted to these areas. And Osaka in Japan and Mumbai in India are the two densely populated areas. So here, for economic factors means people mostly prefer the industrial areas because yes, for their subsistence they have to go for is job to lead their life. So here also they are attracted to these industrial areas. And which are those places? We know that this Mumbai, yes, we can see it's a densely populated place. And why it is so? Because we know that Mumbai, we can see many industries are located in these places. And actually, yes, it is more convenient for the people to go for the jobs. So these are the various factors which influence the distribution of the population all over the world. So social factor, cultural factor, economic factors, and yes, the other factors, geographical factors, and the climatic and the soil. So these are all very important factors which determine the distribution of the population all over the world. So thank you children for watching this video.